Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can assign or create a job title for your account on monday.com. So let us get started and guide you through this. Head over to monday.com, log into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right. And after that, here under account, click into administration. After that, expand the customization tab here on the left panel and click into user profile next. And after that, click into your job title here. You may remove the previous one and give yourself a new job title like that, for instance, and simply click off here so that these changes are going to be saved automatically. You may also set the visibility for your job title as well as for other parts of your profile by clicking on that eye icon here to hide it, for example, from a user profile or to make it visible so that your workspace members and coworkers here on monday.com may see your profile details whenever they visit your user profile, including your job title. And that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.